The US Senate has passed a new sanctions bill targeting Russia and countries that continue to buy its oil, escalating economic pressure linked to the ongoing Ukraine war. Now, the legislation allows the US president to impose tariffs of up to 100% on imports from nations that are among the largest buyers of Russian energy. Now, the bill, formally titled the Lindsey O Sanctioning Russia and Iran Act of 2026, reflects a broader Western push to choke off revenue streams that help sustain Moscow's war efforts. In addition to tariffs, it proposes expanded sanctions on Russian political and financial elites and extends existing penalties on Iran's energy sector through 2031. Now, the move signals a sharper use of trade policy as a geopolitical tool, which is effectively forcing countries into a difficult choice between maintaining access to discounted Russian energy or preserving trade ties with the United States. Analysts say the bill could disrupt global energy flows and complicate supply chains, particularly at a time when markets are already sensitive to geopolitical shocks. India features prominently in the list of affected nations, along with China, Azerbaijan, Hungary and Slovakia. It is among the top importers of Russian oil and gas, making it vulnerable to potential tariff action. Well, for India, which has relied on discounted Russian crude to manage inflation and energy security, the legislation raises fresh concerns over trade friction with Washington and potential cost pressures on its economy. Now, the bill will move to the House of Representatives, where it is expected to face debate over its broad tariff powers. Now, some U.S. lawmakers have warned that the measure could expand presidential authority over trade and risk unintended economic consequences. If passed into law, it could mark a significant escalation in the intersection of global trade, energy security, and geopolitics.